Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. So what am I showing you today? I know it's a little bit early, but I have Christmas candles. Yes, I said Christmas candles. I know it's not even Halloween yet, not even Thanksgiving yet, but I do have me some Christmas candles. And this was sent to me for review by Primevolve, and they reached out and asked if I would review. And because I'm a candleholic, of course I said yes. So let's get into this. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. I hope you'll like this video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button for all my future videos, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty. And you all know I'm a candleholic. So this is 12 candles in here, and I just took the wrapping off because I wanted you to know that when you get this or you order it, it comes all wrapped up. And since I took the wrapping off, I can just smell all the fragrances. They're all different fragrances. And you can get this on Amazon. So I'm going to put the link. And if you have Amazon Prime, it ships the next day. And you save on shipping. And I believe this is $29.99. I believe this is $29.99 and free shipping. Who doesn't want that? So now that I took the cover off, these scents are just awesome. So without dropping them, look at all those beautiful candles. So you can take them apart. You can order this, take them apart. You can use them as stocking stuffers. You can, if you work, you can pass them out at your job. You can leave them all over your house. I mean, how cool is this? And then there's a card in here. So if you just want to get them and put the card, what a great idea. So I'll probably have to put my glasses on because I'm sure the scents are at the bottom in super small letters. So it says Merry Christmas, and this has the little snowman. And yeah, I'm not going to be able to read this. And there's the warning sign, and these are 2.5 ounces, and this one is jasmine. I'm not gonna smell each one, or maybe I will, but look at how adorable they are. So if you're one of those people that goes all out for the holidays, just imagine what you can do with your room. So this was jasmine, and this one is upside down, is gardenia. I so lied, I have to smell them all. But look at how cute. They're all decorated. As it says, you can just take these apart. Oh, and here's Santa, and he says Merry Christmas. And this one is spring. Oh. And of course, it does have a springy smell to it. And then we have, ooh, I like this one. It's got like a cozy cottage on it. And we have English pear and freesia. Now freesia is one of my favorites. And of course, this is the one I can't open. This one does smell good. So how are you all doing? Are you getting ready for Halloween? My little granddaughter is going as a tiger because it's the year of the tiger. So she's going to be a little tiger. I'm not sure what my grandpuppy is going as. This one is vanilla, and it did smell like vanilla. But just look at how pretty they're packaged. And this one is bergamot. that one smells good. So obviously, they're packaged very nice and a little difficult to open for me. Strawberry. So I'm just gonna show you the packaging. And you can probably use these tins, like when you finish burning them, clean them out and use them for something else. I can't open strawberry. And then Happy Santa. And Happy Santa is peppermint. So Happy Santa peppermint smells good. And then we have our little elves, and they are lemon. Lemon was easy to open. And then we have Merry Christmas, and it says Bluebell. Don't know what Bluebell is. I know it's an ice cream. And of course I can't open this one, so I don't know what Bluebell smells like. And then we have this one, Rosemary. That one actually smells pretty good. And then our last one, Merry Christmas. And it's lavender. I know lavender is one of those take it or leave it, but I'll take it. And it smells good. So we have our 12 days. I know I didn't put the lids on, and I will leave the link below. I think this was a great thing. We get a lot of these 2.5 ounces in our lifestyle boxes. So how great to get them and pass them out. And you never know when one of these might land in one of my giveaways. I do have several coming out, so do watch out for those. And leave comments below. Let me know what your favorite scent was out of this box. And as always, you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next video.